play for this? But no, super short. He'll be joining our coach in the wipeout zone. Nice job, super short. Up next is round 3, and we are back to our topple tower.
All right, guys, round 3. How you feeling? Okay, everyone's feeling great.
And here we go again. Round 3. Ninjetta strikes out using your ninja skills to disappear. She's cool. Bacon Boy has abandoned the steady of the slow and steady approach. Totally 80's Chelsea handling this risky business. She's through the webbing. The other girl? Not even close. Here comes Bacon Boy. He is sizzling. Totally 80's out in front. She's probably wondering, where's the bee? He's right there. Poor cat. He's on his way. The Crush through and making her way down. Oh, and she takes out Ninjetta. The Croatian Crush eliminating her competition for the 50 grand or for you. Funny. Totally 80's making her way over that first tower. She makes it. The Crush and Bacon Boy right behind her. He's such a gentleman. Totally 80's on to the second tower. A slip here would open it up for Crush and Bacon Boy who are hot on her trail. Can she make it without falling? Yes, she makes it across safely, and she'll be the 3rd member of our breakfast club. Just in time for Ninjetta to make it through the first obstacle. Before the race is over. I would, but she scares me.
So I just have to ask you, seriously, who do you think to be your fourth? I don't think it's going to be Ninjetta. Why? She's a true ninja. She thinks she's a ninja.
Ninjetta? Not a true ninja? What is she talking about? And after the 4th spin, Bacon Boy is not looking too kosher. But I guess that makes sense. Here comes the Crush, though. She's first on the spinner, and Ninjetta first off the spinner. Not doing very well. The Crush is through, and Ninjetta's going to have to really step it up here. And listen to that, a ninja battle cry. I thought ninjas were supposed to be silent. Whatever. Ninjetta really turning it on here. She's about to catch up with the Crush. While Bacon Boy is taking a break. Ninjetta first up on the slippery snake. Come on, Anya. Yeah, come on, Anya. Oh, that's too bad, Anderson. Ninjetta on to the next snake. Bacon Boy following. He makes it. Ninjetta takes some lessons from Super Short. She's on to another snake. The Crush making another try, and no, she is down. Bacon Boy looking crisp, though, and he's across. Ninjetta sidesteps to the next one. Bacon Boy really struggling as Ninjetta is in the water. Ninjetta now all alone, but she's looking tired. Crush is out of the water. She'll be coming any second. Ninjetta's got her jump soon. This is the biggest jump of her ninja career, and she's made it. Yes, ninja. Now she has to use that ninja strength to make it up. This is an amazing comeback if she makes this jump. What a Cinderella story we'll have. And she's done it, Johnny. Ninjetta slicing her way and becoming the 4th contestant in the wipeout zone. I knew she could do it all along. Joining her is Super Short Travis Buff, our coach Christine Johnston, and Totally 80's Chelsea Price. And with that, we'll take a quick break, and then our 4 remaining contestants face down the wipeout zone.